Hey everyone, welcome back to another delicious episode here at Forever Acres Kitchen. It is football season. I'm so pumped. Nothing better than some great tailgate food, and that's what I plan on doing this season. Every week I hope to give you a great tailgate recipe. Today, of course, I've got to represent my Auburn Tigers and my Tampa Bay Buccaneers. I can't wait for this great season for both teams. Today, we're going to kick this off with buffalo chicken empanadas. Let's go. All right, so here's everything you need for this recipe. I'm using hand-pulled rotisserie chicken from Costco. This is a great value. It's already cut up for you and everything. All you gotta do is shred it up some more for this recipe, but anything that can make your life a lot easier and faster, the better, right? So there you go. There's that. You're gonna need ranch, Frank's RedHot, cream cheese, empanada discs. And for this one, I'm using two different cheeses. I'm using Cheddar and Monterrey Jack. This recipe is going to be for 36 count, but in the caption, I'll have it for a 10 count. First things first, let's get the chicken shredded up. So I get you a food processor. I don't have one of those large food processors. I need to get one, but I have this one here. So I'm gonna have to work in small batches, but put your chicken in that, and then we're gonna chop these up a little bit finer than what it is. And there you go. So you get it to that consistency. It's good to do this too if you're making chicken salad. You know, that rotisserie chicken from Costco, it really is a great deal. That's a 2-pound bag. I think it was maybe $15. So it's not a bad deal because it's already cooked, it's already pulled, and it's all breast meat as well. So there you go. All right, now we got it all shredded up, and correction, that was actually almost 3 pounds. It was 2 pounds and 14 ounces in that package. So that's not a bad deal right there. So it's all shredded up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and shred up the cheese. I'm letting my cream cheese get to room temperature so it's soft so we can mix it all together. All right. All right, there you go. All the cheese is shredded up, and now let's get to mixing in our cream cheese and the rest of the ingredients. All right, so let's go ahead and get our cream cheese into the bowl. Our ranch. Like I said, I'm using this recipe is for 36, so in the caption I'll have it broken down for a serving of 10. But this is for a tailgate party, of course, so lots of people. For the Frank's RedHot sauce, I am using 1.5 cups for this recipe. All right, let's get this all stirred up, and then we'll add in the cheese. All right, now we got that mixed in, we're going to add the chicken. And now you just fold in the chicken, and then we'll add the cheese. All right, now that we got it all mixed in, let's go ahead and add the cheese. I need a bigger bowl. All right, let's get this all combined here, and then we'll start assembling the empanadas. All right, now we're ready to assemble our empanadas. This is also a good time to go ahead and taste and see if you want more heat or less heat. If you want less heat, all you need to do is add some vinegar. I prefer white wine vinegar, and that'll taper down the heat some. So let's get a taste and see how it is. Oh yeah, that's good. I already got some laid out. I'll show you how to lay these out. and then we'll get to assemble. All right, so as you can see, they come in individual layers. So keep this plastic that comes with it. I'll show you why afterwards. And then just simply lay them out, and then we'll fill them in. Like I said, keep that plastic that it comes in between. You'll want that for later. All right, to assemble, just get your empanada disc. Put your buffalo chicken in the center like so. Go ahead and turn it over like that. Go ahead and press the edges together. Then with your fork, go ahead and crump them. This seals it up and gives a really good crust as well. Flip it to the other side and do the same on the other side. Don't forget to do the other side, otherwise they could open up on you and that won't be good. There you go, just like that. I'm gonna keep on doing it and then we'll go to the next step. All right, got all my empanadas ready to go. I wanted to show you why you want to save the plastic liners that come with the discs. So let me show you what to do with it. So take the empanada and then you want to just put it into the plastic and kind of wrap it like that. This will keep them from sticking to each other because after get them all into this pan here, I'm going to put them in the freezer for at least 45 minutes before you fry them or even overnight. I'm probably going to do overnight. I'll probably fry these tomorrow, but that's what you can use that for. That way they don't stick to each other. Line this pan with some wax paper, and then I'm just, like I said, I'm just going to line them up like so, and then I'm going to get them into the freezer. All right, that's it. Get these in the freezer, and tomorrow we'll fry. See you tomorrow. All right, so it has been 24 hours. Empanadas are frozen. We're gonna get to frying. As you see, that plastic works very well. They don't stick and they don't stick to each other. So that is key. Don't throw those away. Let's get to frying. All right, so I've got my oil up to 375, 376, which is good. Remember that when you're frying cold or frozen things, the temperature of the oil is going to drop down. So I like to go 25 degrees above 350. That way I don't lose too much heat and you don't have soggy fried foods. And we're going to work in batches. You don't want to overcrowd the pan either. I am using canola oil. So let's go ahead and get started. Drop in your empanadas. Move them around a little bit so they don't stick to each other. Get enough time to get a little frying going. I might be able to get one more in there. All right, so I got 5 in there. This is a 5-quart Dutch oven. And you're just going to fry them till they're golden crispy. You can see how they start to kind of float up. You can give them a turn as well. That sometimes helps. All right, get them just like that, nice and golden brown and crispy. We'll go ahead and put them on a cooling rack. Let the grease drip onto paper towel there, and we'll continue frying. All right, so I got that batch done. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Just put like a little bowl there of ranch. I like it with ranch. You can do blue cheese. You can do whatever you want. I like it with ranch. Then we'll just put these around the sauce. Like so, make it look pretty. Just kind of garnish it with some cilantro. Gives a nice color. Put a little leaf. Let's put a little leaf there in the ranch. And there you have it. That nice? Now let's get a taste. Oh man, my mouth is watering. Let's get a taste of this. Oh, gotta show you the inside. Doesn't that look good? Dip it in that ranch. That's so good. Like I said, you can do blue cheese, what have you if you want to dip, but I like ranch. That is so good. Crunchy, delicious. That chicken came out so good. Good flavor, just the right amount of heat. Make that. Next time you got your tailgate party, include this in the menu. Till next time, eat well, my friends. Eat well. And War Eagle.